G'day everyone, Lorenzo here. Thank you for tuning into the video. Today we're going to focus on the scams associated with secondhand and unauthorized offline cryptocurrency wallets. So thinking of Ledger and Trezor wallet. And I'll tell you why this is important, especially if you're new to the space. And a quick side note, if you haven't seen my video about the various ways to store cryptocurrencies, whether offline, online, and other ways to do it, moving on to the main story. There's been a scam that's occurred with unauthorized and secondhand Ledger devices and Trezor as well. What happens is, when you first get this device, if you are to buy it, so you get it and then you connect it to the computer, and when you first use it, you need to then create your own PIN. You also need to write down a series of 24 words. These are words assigned at random by the specific device, and it's unique to that device. You need to write down these words. Do not store them on the computer, whatever you do, and then you put that aside. Now what's happened is someone's bought this from either an unauthorized reseller or secondhand, and they've gotten this device with the series of words already written on the sheet of paper, and they've just proceeded to use this device, and they haven't suspected anything until the funds went missing. This is why, especially with cryptocurrencies, because it's still a fairly new space, there's either little or no insurance associated with this, especially with offline storage. The beauty of it is you're in full control, but if something goes wrong, you're in strife. So it usually doesn't, it's still very secure. Please make sure that you either buy the offline crypto wallets from the official website or authorized resellers. I'm just going to give you a quick, show you, here's the list for Ledger and resellers for Trezor. I'm going to include the list in the description below. Moving on to the second scam that occurs. Now, this is one just thinking of Australian users, but this affects anyone. So what happened here? Someone accessed the device, and then they got something prompted on the screen saying, okay, access this website, and then it was and then it will say, okay, you need to send through some of your recovery seeds, these words I was talking about. That's another thing too. You must never ever send through these words to anyone. Treat it like a PIN, okay? You are the only person that should know about them. No one else should see them or have access to them. Simple as that. That's pretty much a summary. Just to wrap up, please do your own research and be vigilant. As I said, they're still very secure, and there are various ways to store your cryptos. Again, check out the video I mentioned. If you want further content, feel free to like, subscribe, and share this info. Comment if you have any questions or something I've either missed or any concerns. Please feel free to fire away. Thank you very much for tuning in. Have a good day or evening wherever you are. Thank you. See ya.